Well, the backhoe's been plugged in for a few hours. Let's see if she'll start. Should start pretty decently. It's about, I believe it's 0 outside. What? Okay, I did get it right. And I believe the block heater works. Got the doors frozen. My dad's good at opening stuff like that. Man, I wish I could climb on the inside. Well, the door is frozen shut. And it's got that new, my dad put that solenoid thing in there. I don't know when, but there's nuts and bolts there. No, the battery light still doesn't come on. There it is! Making a noise! Pretty good plugged in. Making a noise. Oh. I never even heard it do that noise before. They working? By this? Want me to unplug it or leave it plugged in? Stay plugged in. Now. Probably should plug it in back in after we shut it off. Well, I'm gonna let this thing warm up.